South Korea, civilization has fallen. Cities turned into ruins. Millions died, or were eaten. Only those who could control mana survived. Humanity retreated underground, into what they called bunkers. A new order was born. The strongest in mana ruled. The smartest in manipulation survived. And on the ruins of the old world, a new civilization was built. One no different from the one that fell.
This is one of my last missions. After this mission, I'll leave the bunker. That's what I told my sister before I left. And it's true. I've spent a long time building my strength and gathering people, all for one goal: to build my own bunker, an honest and fair one. But for now, this is no time to relax. I have to give it my all, just like always. My opponent is a marauder warrior. Skill. Bladed of destruction! Come out, Marauder. I know you're there.
So someone finally came. Even from this distance, I can feel it. That aura, that mana. It's been a long time since someone brought me this kind of excitement. Finally, a worthy fight. Good. Don't disappoint me. Manifest. Titan Blade. Skill. Overdrive Acceleration.
Skill. Mana detection. Found you. Skill. Blade Pulse Barrage.
Come on, then. Show me what you're capable of.
Skill. Chaotic Bloodanet.
Skill. Colossus Awakening.